Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we continue with last part in decision theory. So we are using Bayesian theorem in order to calculate the posterior probability. Okay, I use question from set June 2018 part B, question number 1. First, we look at the question. Lokman seller is thinking about producing a new types of tablets. So he would like to produce a new type of tablet educator for teachers. If the market were favorable, he would get a return of 100,000. But if the market for these new types of tablet were unfavorable, he would lose RM 60,000. So, kita ada information about the state of nature, either favorable market or unfavorable market. Since Nazman is a good friend of Lokman sellers, he is considering the possibility of using Nazman marketing research to gather additional information about the market for the tablet. Lokman estimate that the probability of favorable market without performing a survey is 0.5. So, this is a probability of prior probability. Lokman also has an option to not proceed with the producing the tablet. So this is our another alternative. Either produce a new types of tablet or do not produce a new types of tablet or do nothing. The survey would be sophisticated questionnaire administered to the test market. It will cost 5,000. So this is cost of conduct survey. Furthermore, the probability of successful survey result given favorable market is 0.7. So we have the conditional probability value 0.7, and the next one is the probability of successful survey result given unfavorable market is 0.2. This one also conditional probability. Okay, A, draw a decision tree to represent the above. And then B, analyze decision tree and recommend the best decision for Lokman. And C, compute the expected value of sample information and explain what it means. Okay, now kita keluarkan dulu important information. Okay, in terms of we have alternative, either produce new tablet or do nothing. Yes, do nothing is the end. Yang tadi produce a new types of tablet. Okay, and then we have the market condition. Okay, market condition ataupun SUN, either favorable market or unfavorable market. So we have probability of favorable market 0.5 and for unfavorable market also 0.5. Then another information about conduct survey. Okay, second decision conduct survey. Okay, and then if conduct survey, the cost of conduct survey cost is RM 5,000, and we have result for the survey. Okay, so result either success or unsuccess. Then we have a probability value for conditional probability. Okay, why conditional? Because notation dia P R given SUN. Okay, so this one is conditional. Conditional probability. In decision tree, we need to use posterior probability, which is P SUN given R. This one is posterior. Posterior yang you akan letakkan dalam tree diagram. So kita nak convert conditional kepada posterior probability. Okay, untuk convert ni baru kita kata guna Bayesian process. Okay, Bayesian process. Okay, now kita tengok dulu information kat sini lagi. Untuk untuk conditional probability tadi dia mention P success given favorable 0.7, and then P success given unfavorable is 0.2. Kalau you tengok kat sini, complement dia not equal to 1. Automatic, bukan posterior. Sebab kita tahu kan, rule of thumb, probability, total probability must equal to 1. So, nanti kita akan cari complement dia. Okay. Now, before kita start construct decision tree, first we need to do the Bayesian process. Okay, Bayesian ataupun Bayes process. Okay, saya tunjuk dua cara. Satu guna table, satu lagi kita guna pecahan terus. Okay. The first one, kita tahu result tadi either success ataupun unsuccess kan. So, saya start dengan P success. Probability of success. We don't have the information on probability of success, but we can calculate using Bayesian process. Okay, first column we have sun. Okay, this is using table. Sun either favorable or unfavorable market, and then we have the conditional probability, which is P result given sun. Okay, P result given sun. So, kita punya information, probability given favorable 0.7 and probability success given unfavorable is 0.2. Okay, next column will be prior probability. Okay, prior probability, value dia for favorable market 0.5 and unfavorable market also 0.5. Okay, so 0.5 and 0.5. Okay, after that, we are calculating the joint probability. Okay, for joint probability, conditional time prior. So, in this case, 0.7 times 0.5, 0.35. And then 0.2 times 0.5 is 0.10. Then, calculate the total of joint probability. In this case, is 0.45. Okay, total probability of joint equal to probability of success. Okay, so this one is probability of success. So, kita dapat dah kat sini. Probability result success is 0.45. And last column, we calculate for posterior. P sun given R. Okay, how we calculate the posterior probability? Take the value of joint probability divide by total of joint probability. So, in this case, 0.35 divided by 0.45 and then 0.10 divided by 0.45. Okay, so using calculator, we calculate the value for favorable 0.78 and for unfavorable, of course, the punya complement is 0.22. So, in this case, the total probability for posterior is 1.00. Okay, this is how we use Bayes process in terms of using table. Okay, now, second, kita nak cari probability of unsuccess. Okay, dah tahu dah. Complement dia mestilah 1 minus probability of success. So, 1 minus P success. So, equal to 1 minus 0.45. So, probability of unsuccess is 0.55. Okay, then, second nak cari posterior for P sun given R kan. This time, result will be unsuccess. Okay, sebab kena group unsuccess kan. So, kita akan cari P favorable given unsuccess and also P unfavorable given unsuccess. Okay, so in this case, let's say, saya letak yang pertama dulu. P ataupun probability favorable given unsuccess equal to Equal to macam mana? So, kita akan ambil joint probability. Okay, kat sini kita dapat information on conditional probability based on result success. So, kita boleh cari untuk unsuccess pula. So, kita akan dapat P unsuccess given favorable 0.3. And second, P unsuccess given unfavorable is 0.8. Okay. So, you dah dapat value ni. Masukkan dalam equation. So, kita cari probability favorable given unsuccess equal to. Okay. So, kita ada conditional probability. Time. Prior probability 0.5. Divide by. Kita dapat probability of unsuccess tadi kan. Okay. 0.55. So, kita dapat equal to 0.27. And then, P unfavorable given unsuccess equal to 1 minus probability favorable given unsuccess. So, 1 minus 0.27 equal to 0.73. So, dapat dah probability of posterior. Yeah, so kita ada semua probability of posterior. Then, baru we can construct the pair off. Okay, now nak construct pair off. Okay. So, nak construct pair off. Okay, saya guna kat page baru. Decision tree start with decision node. Okay, this is our decision tree. Start with decision node. Now we have two options. Either we are conduct survey kan. Survey and no survey. Survey or market research up to you. Okay, now conduct survey. We have two result. Either success or unsuccess. And for each result, we have to decide either introduce or produce new types of tablet or do nothing. Okay, do nothing ni saya tarik je terus. Okay. So, kat sini tablet or do nothing. Okay. And then for unsuccessful, we have two options. Either we introduce new tablet or do nothing. Okay. For no survey, automatic choose decision. Either tablet, okay, and do nothing. Okay, so kat sini kita dah settle dia punya macam bentuk tree diagram. Now nak masukkan information. Okay, nak masuk information. Let's say saya tukar color dulu. Ambil purple. Okay, nak masuk information kat sini. Oh, before that, we include information on sun. We have two sun kan? Favorable or unfavorable. So, favorable, unfavorable. Favorable, unfavorable. Favorable and unfavorable. Okay, now baru kita masukkan nilai probability. Okay, so first saya pergi dekat without survey. Without survey, probability of sun. Okay, tadi kat dalam case kita, probability of sun, kita ada 0.5 for favorable and another 0.5 for unfavorable. So, 0.5, 0.5. And then, probability of posterior without success. This one untuk result unsuccess. Okay. For result success, 0.45. Okay, result success, 0.45. Unsuccess, 0.55. And then posterior for group success, favorable, 0.78 and 0.22. Okay, 0.78, 0.22. And for unsuccess, favorable 0.27, unfavorable 0.73. Yeah, 0.27, 0.73. Okay, now next information. Oh, we have a cost of conduct survey. Cost of conduct survey in this case 5,000 ringgit. Yeah, so 5,000 ringgit. So minus cost RM 5,000. Okay. Ingatlah kat situ. Okay, now kita nak masukkan the last one is pair of value. Okay, pair of value dia mention dalam question tadi. If favorable, you get 100,000. If unfavorable, negative 60,000. Okay, this one 100,000 negative 60,000. For do nothing, pair of is 0. 100 negative 60,000, and for do nothing is 0. 100 negative 60,000, and for do nothing is 0. Now all are in RM. Okay. After finish construct the tree diagram and put all the necessary information, now we have to analyze the tree. Analyze the tree using EMV. EMV. Now calculate EMV. Let's say I put number 1, 2, 3, 4. So kita akan calculate 4 value of EMV. So I start with note number 4 without doing survey. Okay, so EMV without doing survey 100 times 0.5 plus negative 60,000 times 0.5. So kita akan dapat 20. Yeah, for do nothing, of course, you akan dapat 0. Okay, and then compare between the EMV value. So 20 is the highest. So kita choose 20. Then for note 2, EMV 64.8 compare with 0. Automatic we choose 64.8. And for note 3, negative 16.8 compare with 0, 0. We choose 0 because 0 is more higher than negative value. Then EMV at note 1, 29.16. But remember, we have cost. So, minus with cost, 24.16. Okay. So, yang ni tadi saya calculate, saya buat macam ni. Okay, so meaning that in thousand. So let's say dia kat sini dapat 160. Okay, compare with 20k. This one kita akan choose as our final decision. Okay. So our decision statement in this case, conduct market survey. Okay. If result success, produce new type of tablet, and if result unsuccess, do nothing. Okay, do nothing. And last one, calculate the EVSI. Okay, EVSI, choose the value without considering the cost of conduct survey. So 29,160 minus 20,000 equal to RM 9,160. So interpret the EVSI. The maximum amount to pay for conduct survey is RM6,160. Okay, so that's all for today. InsyaAllah.